It's more important to grow your income than cut your expenses. It's more important to grow your spirit than cut your dreams. In today's fast-changing world, it's not so much what you know anymore that counts, because often what you know is old. It is how fast you learn. That skill is priceless. Once a person stops searching for information and self-knowledge, ignorance sets in. I've learned that, without a strong reason or purpose, anything in life is hard. In school we learn that mistakes are bad and we are punished for making them. Yet, if you look at the way humans are designed to learn, we learn by making mistakes. We learn to walk by falling down. If we never fell down, we would never walk. Failure inspires winners. And failure defeats losers. It is the biggest secret of winners. It's the secret that losers do not know. The greatest secret of winners is that failure inspires winning. Thus, they're not afraid of losing. One dad had a habit of saying, "I can't afford it." The other dad forbade those words to be used. He insisted I ask, "How can I afford it?" One is a statement and the other is a question. One lets you off the hook and the other forces you to think. I am concerned that too many people are focused too much on money and not on their greatest wealth, which is their education. If people are prepared to be flexible, keep an open mind and learn, they will grow richer and richer through the changes. If they think money will solve the problems, I am afraid those people will have a rough ride. Intelligence solves problems and produces money. Money without financial intelligence is money soon gone. The most common form of laziness. Laziness by staying busy. It's what's in your head that determines what's in your hands. In the real world, the smartest people are people who make mistakes and learn. In school, the smartest people don't make mistakes. The fear of being different prevents most people from seeking new ways to solve their problems. It's easier to stand on the sidelines, criticize, and say why you shouldn't do something. The sidelines are crowded. Get in the game. Often, the more money you make, the more money you spend. That's why more money doesn't make you rich, assets make you rich. The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. The most successful people are mavericks who aren't afraid to ask why, especially when everyone thinks it's obvious. Hoping drains your energy. Action creates energy. The more a person seeks security, the more that person gives up control over his life. The plan is a bridge to your dreams. Your job is to make the plan or bridge real so that your dreams will become real. If all you do is stand on the side of the bank and dream of the other side, your dreams will forever be just dreams. You'll often find that it's not mom or dad, husband or wife, or the kids that's stopping you. It's you. Get out of your own way. The only difference between a rich person and poor person is how they use their time. If you're the kind of person who has no guts, you just give up every time life pushes you. If you're that kind of person, you'll live all your life playing it safe, doing the right things, saving yourself for something that never happens. Then, you die a boring old person. Money is really just an idea. The moment you make passive income and portfolio income a part of your life will change. Those words will become flesh. You will make some mistakes, but if you learn from those mistakes will become wisdom, and wisdom is essential to becoming wealthy. Workers work hard enough to not be fired, and owners pay just enough so that workers won't quit. As I said, I wish I could say it was easy. It wasn't, but it wasn't hard either. But without a strong reason or purpose, anything in life is hard. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth in what seems to be an instant. The power of can't. The word can't makes strong people weak, blinds people who can see, saddens happy people, turns brave people into cowards, robs a genius of their brilliance, causes rich people to think poorly, and limits the achievements of that great person living inside us all. One of the great things about being willing to try new things and make mistakes is that making mistakes keeps you humble. People who are humble learn more than people who are arrogant. Sight is what you see with your eyes, vision is what you see with your mind. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. The more I risk being rejected, the better my chances are of being accepted. There are those who make things happen, there are those who watch things happen, and there are those who say what happened. Education is cheap, experience is expensive. There are no mistakes in life, just learning opportunities. Focus, follow one course until successful.